find 3. 3
Instead of 9 and 4. 3 square.
3 square a minus 2 whole square minus 4.
3a minus 2 the whole square minus 4a plus 2 the whole square.
Plus 2 whole square.
A minus 2 the whole square minus 4 into a plus 2
A plus
the whole square. Where a is equal to and b is equal to. Okay. So this is in the form of a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. So what we have to write? A plus b into a minus b. Do it. A plus b. A plus b into a minus b. So a is what? 3 into a minus 2. A minus b is what? 4 into a plus 2. A plus b into a minus b. Then change the brackets. Three a minus 6 plus 4a plus 8 no? Into 3a minus 6 minus 4a minus 8. All got that? 7a plus 2. Here 3a negative 4. Negative, then negative 14. Minus a minus 14. So if we take one negative common outside means starting we can write negative 7a, negative of that take common, then balance. If you took both negatives means it will be positive. So this will be the answer. Either you can write this or this. Sometimes your exact answer will be this one, negative of 7a plus 2 into a plus 14 will be your text back answer. Anyway, this up to this is enough. The next question. If not completed, you have to tell me. 9th one.
Okay,
A
ma'am.
raised to 4 minus 1. 9th one. A raised to 4 minus 1. So what we have to do with this? A raised to 4. A raised to 4 can be as
A square into a
square,
square.
the whole square. No. Exponents we studied a raised to m, the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n.
Ma'am, minus 1 square.
Minus 1 square.
Square. So this is in the form of a square minus b square, where a is equal to a square and b is equal to 1. A square minus b square form. That is a plus b into a minus b. So a plus
minus 1
into
a square plus 1.
a square plus 1 into a square minus 1. Again we have to do something with that. Which one? We have, now we are doing something. So which one we can rearrange again? We can simplify again.
Ma'am, we need to simplify a plus 1.
No.
A square minus 1.
A square minus 1. No. A square minus b square form. So a square plus 1 we can't do anything. Then this we can write it as a square minus, same way, 1 we wrote 1 square. Same way this one we can write it as 1 square. So this is in the form of again a square minus b square. So So a square plus 1 into this, you can write it as what? A square minus b square. Here a stands for 1 and b stands for, a stands for a and b stands for 1. So what I have to write here?
A plus 1. A plus 1
A plus one
into A minus 1.
A plus 1
A
into a.
minus.
That is your final answer. A plus 1 into a minus 1. Okay, question number 10.
One can you explain once more?
Huh?
Can you explain once more?
Which one? This one?
Last two steps.
Last part. Last part. Okay.
Last
So
two steps.
a square minus 1. Up to this we got a square minus 1. That means a square minus, we have the formula what? A square minus b square. Same model only we got this, no? A square minus b square is what? A plus b into a minus b. Same model only we got a square minus 1. That 1 can be written as 1 square. This is in the form of a square minus b square. So again we can write this as what? We can apply formula here. Is equal to a stands for a and b stands for what? 1. Same formula we can apply here, no? So we can write a square minus b square as a plus b. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Here b is what? 1. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's
So next question number 10. Okay. 10th. A cube plus 2a square minus a minus 2. A cube plus 2a square minus a minus 2. So what we have to do? Some adjustment we have to do or not? From these two, grouping first we have to group it, then only we can apply the formula. So from these two, what we can take?
A
Square. No, a square.
and A.
We can't directly apply a square minus b square formula. We can't do it. So we have to simplify that. So a square if we took means balance here inside the bracket we will have a plus
2.
a plus 2. So same as the previous exercise 5a, 5b. A plus 2 same. A plus 2. Make this negative a minus 2 as a plus 2 if we take one common, no? Negative 1. Is it okay for you all?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Previous exercise. So then from here, these two, from here and here, which one we can take? A plus
1, A square minus 1.
then a square minus 1. A plus 2 we can't do anything. A plus 2 as a plus 2 itself. But we can do some adjustment with this a square minus 1. Same.
A square minus 1 square.
A square minus 1 square. So a plus 2 into what? A square minus b square.
A plus 1, A minus
A
1.
plus 1
Plus
minus
1
1.
and A minus 1.
That is answer. Right. 11th question. A plus B whole cube minus A minus B. A plus B whole cube minus A minus B. Here also what we can do? Cube. We can directly apply that. So we can take A minus B in terms. Do we want to change the bracket A plus B as A plus B whole square form expansion? No. So instead of that, A plus B is there. So adjust with this. So A plus B whole cube. So make this negative A minus B as A plus B. How can we make it as A plus B?
Minus 1.
Negative 1. Then from these two terms, which one we can take common?
A plus B.
A plus B. A plus B we can take.
A plus B we can take. A plus B. Then
A plus B the whole square.
Minus whole square minus 1.
A plus B whole square
Minus 1.
whole square minus 1. So this you can do anything. A plus B. But this is in the form of what?
A square minus
A square.
S.
One square. So here A stands for what? Here A stands for A plus B and B stands for 1. So A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. So apply that formula. So A plus B.
A plus B
A plus B.
minus minus 1.
A plus B plus 1 or minus 1? First you are writing
Plus 1.
minus 1 into
A minus
A
B.
minus A plus
A plus A plus
A plus
1 into A
minus 1.
plus B minus 1.
A plus B plus 1 and A plus B.
minus 1.
A plus B, A minus B. A plus B plus 1 and A plus B minus 1 only. No, A plus B into A minus B form. So this is your final answer or not? Yes, no. 11th, 12th. Very good. Then 12th. A into A minus 1 minus B into B minus 1. Can we take anything common in that? A into A minus 1 minus B into B minus 1. Question. A into A minus 1 minus B into B minus 1. So can we take any A or B or A minus 1 or B minus 1 here? Can we take anything common from this term and this term? If not means what?
No ma'am.
So what we will do? These two are not company and we can't.
We have to square that.
Change the bracket. So A square. We can't take common means what we will do? We will change the bracket. So A square minus A minus B square plus B. Okay. The next which two we can group? Think and say. First and second is not possible. Why? Because first and second only we change it now. So don't bother about the first and second. A square and
B square.
B square.
So rearrange that. A square minus B square. Then negative A plus B.
C.
Okay. So A square minus B square is what?
A plus B.
A plus B into A minus B.
Minus B. Minus A plus B. So either we have to write the minus A plus B, then only we can take common now. Either in terms of A minus B or A plus B. So how can we do this? If we take one negative one common, we can write this as what?
A plus B.
A plus B.
No, not A plus B. If you want to get
A
it as
minus B.
minus
A minus B.
A
then
minus
only
B.
1 into A, negative into negative, positive B. So same same thing we can write A plus B into what? A minus B. Any doubt in this step?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No,
can you
ma'am.
explain once more?
Yeah, which one?
Ma'am, last one.
So we have to adjust this A plus B into A minus B. That A plus B, negative A plus B, we have to write in terms of either A minus B or A plus B. Then only next step we can take A minus B or A plus B common. So for that A minus B, if we are taking negative, we want to get as answer as negative A. So negative 1. If we take a negative 1, if we change the bracket, we will get it as negative 1 into A, negative into negative, positive B. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
We can't write it as A plus B. We can't write it as A plus B. Can we write it as A plus B? If we take one negative sign. We can't write it as A plus B, negative A, then it will be what? Negative B only will come. No, negative A, negative B only will come. We need what? Negative A, positive B we need. So we can't write in terms of A plus B is not possible. So just think of whether we can write in terms of A minus B. Then take one negative one common. So it will be possible. Negative A plus B. So from here, from these two terms, we can take A minus B common. Then balance will be A plus B minus 1.
Minus 1.
A plus B minus 1. Any doubt with this step? While writing, if you have any doubt, please ask me. Want to repeat?
No, ma'am.
A minus B into A plus B minus 1. Then 13th question. Some adjustment we have to do with question number 13. It will be in the form of think and say. Some similarity you can feel in that question. Already we studied that all things. So what is that? Any idea? Question number 13. No. 4a square minus of 4b square plus 4bc plus c square within brackets. It is in the form of
A plus B whole square.
A plus B.
b whole square. That means 4a square minus this we can write it as 2b the whole square. No?
Yes, ma'am. Plus
4b plus c square.
plus C square.
So this is in the form of a plus b the whole square. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means a stands for 2b and b stands for c. Check it. 2 plus 2b plus c whole square possible or not? Can we write 2b a square plus 2ab plus b whole square? No. 2b the whole square plus 2 into 2b into c plus c square. That is 2b the whole square plus 2 into 2 4bc plus c square. No, that only we have. Understood or not?
Yes,
This step.
ma'am.
So instead of this, 2b the whole square plus 4bc plus c square, we can write it as what?
2b plus c the whole square.
2b plus c the whole square, this term, minus already 4a square is there, 4a square. Any doubt in this step? 2b plus c the whole square. Using this. So one thing you do this in the working order. Write this. Here a is equal to 2b. Here a is equal to 2b and b is equal to c. So we can write it as 2b plus c whole square will be 2b whole square plus 4bc plus c square. Then this is in the form of a square minus b square. That you can do. Any doubt in this? Tell me.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am. Out, ma'am.
Completed up to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Then this can be written as what? A
2a
square
whole
minus
square. 2a the
2a
whole square
minus
minus 2b plus c the whole square.
2b plus c the whole square. This is in the form of a square minus b square. Here a stands for 2a and b is equal to 2b plus c. So a plus b into a minus b form.
2a plus 2b plus c into 2a minus 2b minus c.
C into
2b plus c.
2a plus 2b minus of, you have to, minus of
2a minus 2b plus c.
plus c, minus of you have to. So it will be 2a plus 2b plus c into 2a minus 2b minus c. That is answer. That minus you have to. Then 14th one. So what adjustment we can do with the 14? Tell me. Just try it. 14th one. It is in the form of what? 4a square minus 49b square plus 2a minus 7b.
Ma'am, instead of 4a square, 2a the whole square.
2a the whole square, good. Then minus
Ma'am, instead of 49
7
we
is the
use
whole
10b
square.
the whole square.
17 whole square.
7b the whole square.
okay, good. So 2a 7b we got, no? 2a
And
7b.
plus 2a minus 7b.
Then this 2 we can write in terms of a plus b into a minus b.
2a minus 7b.
First a plus b into a minus b. Study like that way. A plus b into a minus b.
17
Plus
2a minus 7b. 7.
2a plus
2a
7b.
plus 7b into 2a minus 7b.
Plus 2a minus 7b. So if we take one common means what will it be? One common we can take.
7b.
2a minus 7 into 2a plus 7b
Plus 1.
plus 1.
One we can take positive one. Then from here these two terms 2a minus 7b into balance 2a plus 7b
Plus 1.
plus 1. So that is answer. Two a minus 7b into 2a plus 7b plus 1. Then 15th question. Think of that 15th question. 9a square plus 3a minus 8b minus 64b square. So, without
Rearrange.
Rearrange.
Square
rearrange.
minus
First we want to write what? 9a square along with the which one?
364.
64b square as a second term we can write, no? Then if we do that, a square minus b square, we will get. Okay. Rearrange that first, 15th one. Plus 3a minus 8b minus 64b square. So rearranging, so 9a square minus 64b square plus 3a minus 8. So this is
3a the whole square minus
whole square minus 8b the whole square plus 3a minus 8.
3a minus b.
8. Okay. Then
3a plus 8b into 3a minus 8b.
into, this is in the form of a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Then plus, from this we can take one common, no? 3a minus 8b. From here,
And 3a minus 8b common.
minus 8b we can take common. Balance will be
3a plus 8b
3a plus 8b plus 1.
plus 1. 15th one. With 16 question. 4a square minus 12a plus 9 minus 49b square. Same as the previous question. Can we take that 49b square together? Then what will happen? If we take that 49, can we take anything common? Suppose don't write 4a square minus 49b square minus 12a plus 9. If we take this as 2a the whole square and 7b the whole square, we will get it as what? 2a plus 7b and what? 2a minus 7b only, no? So is there any similarity with this 12a plus 9?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So this way we can't do. So instead of this, one more method. We studied a square minus b square formula. Then a plus b whole square also we studied. A minus b whole square also studied. So if this is not possible means check with a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So how can be a plus b whole square? So first three terms. Think of the first three terms.
Ma'am, instead of 4a square, we will write 2a the whole square.
Okay, 2a the whole square minus 12a plus, instead of 9 we can write it as 3 square. Let it be there 49b square as 49b square itself. Think of this 12a middle term. Is there any connection with the 3 and 2a?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Can we write in terms of
A minus whole square. A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square.
a minus b whole square we can write. Check it whether this is a and this is b. This a minus b whole square is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. See whether it is possible. 2a minus 3 the whole square possible or not.
Is equal to 2a square minus
Square minus
minus 2 into
2a into 3
2
plus
into 3 plus 3 square.
a the whole square minus 12a plus 3 square.
Plus. Yes, ma'am, possible.
So we
Possible.
can write the whole term of these three terms in terms of what?
A minus b square.
A minus b the whole square.
That is what? Here a is equal to what? 2a and b is equal to 3. No, here. So this we can rearrange it as what? 2a.
2a the whole square.
No.
2a minus 3 the whole square.
minus 3 whole square.
Minus 3 whole square.
A minus 3 the whole square. Instead
Minus
of
17.
2a minus 3 the whole square. Look at this. 2a square whole square minus 12a plus 3 square only we will get it as 2a minus 3 whole square. So instead of writing these three terms, we can join these three. That means this is the form of a minus b whole square. Then minus 49b square.
Instead of 49 we can write 7b the whole square.
B square we can write it as 7b the whole square. So this is in the form of a square minus b square. Up to this, understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay, right up. Then factorize that is a square minus b square form.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. For timing it is enough. Otherwise it will be overload for you. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.